Good day everyone. In this video I will present the codes of my final project and as well as the demonstration of the program when I run the codes, and this project is called reference book. I am Jet Francis Podaca from BS92A. For these codes or programs I use C# shell on my mobile, and now here is the line of codes that consists of almost 140 codes, 136 lines of codes to be exact, and generally it composes or contains a while and for loops or for loop operations, and then the arrays that are a very important part of this program. Now I will try to discuss my codes one by one, so let's start. Inside the string we have store or imported the list of books that we will use in this program, and this contains 50 elements or 50 books with 6 ranges or 6 details of the books. And then that's why inside this access operator we have 50 the number of books and 6 the ranges. Then I close the array using the curly brace and then move into the introduction of the program. And here I introduce the title of my project and then my name using the console.writeline, and then I created here a new string, the username, that contains this one, the console.write. Please enter your name, and then I declare a new variable that is equal to console.readline. Then the variable, I use the variable here added to the console.writeline here. Hello plus the declared variable, and then welcome to reference book. I am happy to give you a hand. Then we created a new string here, string f is equal to not found, and then we move on to the for loop operations. Integer I is equal to 0. Then if I that is equal to 0 is less than the book that get length 0, then the next operations will be I plus plus. As I always mentioned, I is the temporary storage variable, and the 0 is the first is the index number of the first integer values on the arrays here on the first on the first part of the program or the codes. And for further explanation, I plus plus it means the value of I is equals to the is equals to I plus I. Then if book name search is equals to book I0, or the inputted value or the inputted name of the user is equals to the book I is equals to 0, or the first index number on the array, or nandun siya dun sa array, nag-appear siya dun sa array, then found it will be displayed, and the book title, author, year published, and so on will be displayed according to the increments or the operations that we have here. The for integer I is equal to 0, I less than book that get line 0, and this the increments I plus plus. It will be automatically displayed based on the number of the based on their number index on the array. Then f is equals to found. If f is not equal to found, it will display the console.writeline will be used to display the search book not found, which means the book is not found or not on the array. Then nag-create tayo ng another string for the continuation or the end of the program, and here the user will be asked if they will search again, and then the value or the answer is equals to console.readline. This is based on the user response. If the answer is yes, so the answer is yes, then the operations or the program will continue, and then another string for answer number 2. It is all about the exit of the program, and if it is yes, then the program will be directly exit or automatically exit, and then if no, the operations will continue until the operations will continue until the user inputted no from the exit from this last string. So that's how the while loop used in this code. And then we run this, when we run this code, here is the result. So please enter your name, the name of the user, example, that's my name, and then hello, welcome to reference book. I am happy to give you a hand. Then here we will input the title of the book that we need that we want to search. Then that will be displayed and found it, book title, botany, and other details. Then here the program will ask the user if they want to search again, and if yes, then the want to exit will be displayed, and then if no, the program will ask again a book title from the user. For example, English 1. If the book was not on the arrays, then search book not found will be displayed, and then another search again as questions will be asked to the user, and if no, then want to exit. If yes, then the program will be automatically exit. So that's all for the discussion of my final project, and thank you for watching.